Welcome the AIT's Arts, Commerce and Science Night College. The study of Indian Constitution. Features of Indian Constitution. Features of India is as under. Number 1. Written Constitution. Number 2. Partly rigid and partly flexible. 3. Sovereignty of people. 4. Parliamentary form of government. 5. Democratic form of government. 6. Federal form of government. 7. Secularism. 8. Directive principles of state policy. 9. Fundamental rights. 10. Independent judiciary. 11. Rule of law. 12. Judicial review. 13. Single citizenship. 14. Methods of amendments. 15. Emergency provision. 16. Universal adult franchise. 17. Special provision for backward classes. Number 1. Written Constitution. The Constitution of India is not only a written on but also one of the lengthiest constitution of the world. Indian Constitution having 400 pages, 397 articles and 12 schedules is perhaps the biggest constitution of the world. The Indian Constitution is not merely a constitution but also a detailed legal code dealing with all aspects of the constitution and administrative system of country. Second, partly rigid and partly flexible. The Constitution of India is partly rigid and partly flexible. It means some provisions are amended very easily, but some were not amended easily. It means they are rigid. There are 3 types of amendments of the Constitution. Number 1. Some provision can be amended by simple majority of Parliament. Second, certain provision can be amended by the Parliament by 2/3 majority of the present members and voting. Third, finally, certain provisions of the Constitution which can be amended by 2/3 majority of House of Parliament and need rectification by the legislature of majority of state. Third, sovereignty of people. The preamble of Constitution of India declared that all the people of India are sovereign, democratic and republic. It also declared that peoples of India are independent in every sphere of life. They are sovereign masters of their own destiny. No power is superior than Constitution. All are equal before the eyes of law. Fourth, parliamentary form of government. The framers of Constitution declared that there is a parliamentary type of government in India. On the model of British Parliament, the Indian Parliament is consists of 2 houses, for example, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It also has 2 types of executives, for example, real executive, Prime Minister, and nominal executive, President. Number 5. Democratic form of government. Number 5. Democratic form of government. The preamble of Indian Constitution declared that India is to be sovereign, democratic and republic. It means that pupils shall be elected their own representative directly. All men and women who have completed the age of 18 years has right to vote. It is called as adult franchise. Pupils choose their ruler by their own choice. We, the people of India, have power to throw out the party which does not fulfill our aims. We can also remove executives from their office. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed, race, religion, culture, custom, tradition, language, sex, and status. Number 6. Federal form of government. Mostly federal form of government are found in a large and populated country. India is also a large country having heterogeneous population. For example, multi-religious, multilinguistic and multicultural country. It is very difficult and impossible to keep united all people together. That's why Constitution provides the federal form of government. It means that our government is divided between two parts. For example, number 1, center or union government. Second, state or regional government. In federal system, all states are autonomous and independent in their own jurisdiction, but they are connected with center for some common affairs like currency, coinage, postage, railways, airways, foreign policy, defense, etc. Number 7. Secularism. Secularism means respect to all religion. It means that state has no particular religion. It means that all religions have equal patronage before the eyes of law. Every citizen is free to preserve, promote, and propagate his own religion, language, and culture. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed, race, religion, language, sex, and status. All are equal before the eyes of law. Number 8. Fundamental rights. Like other democratic constitutions of the world, the Constitution of India also provides a chapter on fundamental rights. These rights are enshrined in Article 12 to 35 of Chapter 3rd of Constitution Act and have been classified into six categories. Number 1, right to equality. 2, right to freedom. 3, right against exploitation. 4, right to freedom of religion. 5, cultural and educational rights. 6, right to property. Right to constitutional remedies. These rights are justiciable. It means that a citizen can approach the court for the enforcement of these rights. Supreme Court of India has been the guardian of rights and liberties of the people. If one violates that laws, punishment should be given to them by the court. Number 9. Directive principles of state policy. Another distinctive feature of Indian Constitution is the chapter on DPSP contained in Part 4 of Constitution, which are as under. Number 1. To provide adequate means of livelihood. Second, equitable distribution of wealth with a view to prevent its concentration into few hands. 3. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women. 4. Protection of children and young against exploitation. Number 5. Free and compulsory education for the children. Number 6. Separation of judiciary from executive. 7. Promotion of international cooperation. Number 8. Promotion of the interest of backward classes and weaker sections. 9. Rising the standard of living and level of the nutrition of the pupil. 10. Enactment of a uniform civil code for the whole country. 11. To avoid clashes and conflict arise between center and state. Number 10. Independent judiciary. Independent judiciary is another outstanding feature of Indian Constitution. Judiciary has been made independent with a view to protect the individual against arbitrary rule. Supreme Court, which stands of the apex of the judiciary, has been made free from all political influence and acts as the true guardian of the Constitution. To ensure the independence of judiciary or judges, their salaries and service condition has been protected, their removal has been made quite difficult. Restrictions have been imposed on them for taking up practices after retirement before any court in India. All these ensures an independent and impartial judiciary. Number 11. Rule of law. Rule of law is an outstanding feature of Indian Constitution. It simply means all are equal before the eyes of law. It means no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed, race, religion, language, culture, customs, traditions, trade, commerce, sex, and status. All men and all men shall live in one set of law. In other words, it means no person or group of person is above the law. There is same law from prince to pedestrian. It also means that there shall be no separate court for governmental affairs. Number 12. Judicial review. Judicial review is most important feature of the Constitution of India. India and America has the system of judicial review, while in England legislature, Parliament is more powerful, but in India and America there is system of judicial review. It means judicial review. It means judiciary is powerful in India. Judicial review means judiciary has power to review the laws which were made by the parliament or legislature, or any action of executive. If any law and action are against the spirit of constitution, then judiciary has right to declare that law or action are invalid. Number 13. Single citizenship. Another particular feature of the Constitution of India is that there is single citizenship in India, whereas in America there is system of double citizenship. All the person residing in any part of India are entitled to Indian citizenship. This was done to promote the feelings of unity and fraternity among the people rising residing in various parts of the country. Number 14. Methods of amendments. It is the unique feature of the Indian Constitution, but there is different method of amendment. No person has right to change any law as per as his own choice and will. There are three types of amendment. 1. Some amendments can be made simple majority of both the House of Parliament. Number 2. Some amendment needs 2/3 majority of the both House of Parliament. 3. Approval of more than 50% states of the country. Number 15. Universal adult franchise. The Constitution of India has introduced universal adult franchise. All the adults above the age of 18 years, irrespective of their caste, color, and sex, are entitled to participate in the election. All the adults have been choose the representative by their own choice, As the result of the introduction of universal adult franchise, India has emerged as the largest democracy of the world. Number 16. Emergency provision. Indian Constitution provides emergency provision in Article 352 to emergency provision. Number 16. Emergency provision. Indian Constitution provides emergency provision in Article 352 to 360 describes emergency power. The head of the state, for example, President declared the emergency. On the recommendation of Prime Minister. There are three types of emergency which was declared by President. Number 1. Constitutional emergency. 2. National emergency. 3. Financial emergency. Point number 17. Special provision for backward classes. The Constitution makes special provision for the protection of backward classes. A number of provisions has been incorporated in the Constitution with a view to promote social, economic, and educational interests of these classes. With the same intention, seats have been reserved for them in the state legislature assembly and parliament and civil services. The Constitution also tries to protect the language and culture of the minorities and permits all minorities to conserve their language, culture, and way of life, and government also provides them every possible encouragement in this regard.